I'm Pam Hurley, the owner and founder of Hurley Write Incorporated, a certified women-owned small business. Here's the reality. Oftentimes when clients come to us, they'll say, oh, my writers need help. My writers can't write. The documents aren't getting out the door on time, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And your writers may need help. I'm not disputing that. Sometimes it is the writers, but sometimes it's the reviewers. And oftentimes one of the things we find is that organizations don't treat writing and reviewing as an ecosystem. They're seen as siloed. They're disparate kinds of activities. When the reality is that they should be working together. So if you're reviewers, for instance, we've seen this in a lot of organizations. Nobody knows what to review for, or they're all reviewing for different things. The comments are often contradictory. Nobody knows what the other person's doing. There's no deadline for reviews. We've even seen, I hate to even say this, we've even seen people reviewers handwriting comments on documents and then giving them back to writers to decipher. Woo, mind blown. I would not have believed this had I not seen it from myself, that people are actually doing this in the 21st century. But you think about the time and the energy that's wasted trying to just decipher comments. And we all know that can just be terrible, right? So one of the things to think about, one of the things that we've done is we've created a reviewers workshop, better reviewing techniques, that teaches reviewers how to create milestones, how to give actionable feedback, and how to ensure that everyone is on the same page in terms of what they're reviewing for, that writers and reviewers have a good understanding of what the review process looks like. There are deadlines set. What is it that writers can expect, right? And what is it that reviewers are reviewing for? Then there's a consensus on about that we're not just reviewing for pet peeves. I don't like the word that, which I've actually heard before, which is in itself mind-blowing. But this reviewing workshop is often, clients often purchase this in addition to our one of our writing workshops. And it works out very, very well, because one of the things we want to do is we want to get writers and reviewers on the same page so they both have the same understanding of expectations. When everybody's rowing in the same direction, documents are going to get out the door much faster, and morale is going to increase, and writers and reviewers are going to be much happier and much easier. It's going to be much easier for them to work together. If you'd like more information, hit me up, Pam@hurleywrite.com, 877-249-7483. Thanks so much.